So reflecting back on our HR team and specifically just my comments about recruiting. So we're scanning, I don't even know how many resumes on an hourly basis.
Hmm.
So I think that's just an easy
That's an easy
start,
win.
right? Just
Yep.
kind of we're feeding the resumes in, and is it keyword searches or is it just like
So no,
how is it learning to digest what's being
So
said in the resumes? And our resumes now being created
Of course
with
they
AI
are.
help so they know how to actually interact with the AI scans. Like,
like SEO,
there's
yeah. We had
so
a brief
because
discussion about this.
this is one of the problems with AI.
okay.
Is you
So
don't
there are
know.
concerns. I mean,
Yes.
are we going to be run
Oh
by
yeah.
9,000 or whatever it was
Yeah,
called?
so I realized we never actually went over my background, but I spent a few years at an AI company doing research. I was part of their patent and research team. I have 6 pending patents in AI. So I spent a lot of time poking at this stuff, finding the problems, finding where things were going wrong, and then spending time trying to figure out how do we work our way around this? How do we fix the problem? So I have spent a lot of time in the AI world. And a lot of the issues is we don't know what the AI has learned. We think it's
Hmm.
learned what we've taught it, but we don't necessarily know what we've taught it. This is one of my favorite examples. There was an image recognition program that was created that would look at pictures, images of skin growths, and would determine if it was cancerous or benign. And so it was loaded on a whole bunch of these images. And then, of course, the idea being that anyone could give it another image and it would determine if it was cancerous or benign. Seems very straightforward. Here's the issue. Turns out that every single image of a cancerous skin growth also had a ruler to show the scale, but the benign ones did not have a ruler. So the AI learned that the ruler was the problem.